Good morning friends, welcome to this session. I hope you all are doing good. So in today's part we will learn the dominance method. In the last class we have done the odds method. Dominance method. It is a mixed strategy method. This method is utilized when matrix size is greater than 2 by 2. If the matrix size is equal to 2 by 2, we will use the odds method. But in case if the matrix size is greater than 2 by 2, we will use the dominance method. In this method, dominant rows and columns are utilized to reduce the size of the payoff matrix, which is given here in the right side. Least dominant rows and columns are found out and deleted on the basis of the dominance property. What is dominance property? That we will study. Okay. These deleted rows and columns then will never be utilized for finding the optimum strategy. So this is the question. Find the value of game and optimum strategies for player A and B as per the payoff matrix given in the table. Okay. So player A has 4 strategies, first, second, third and fourth. And player B also have 4 strategies, first, second, third and fourth. So I have copied the payoff matrix here. Okay. The step 1 is calculate the sum of each row element and put in front of the row. Okay. So the sum of element of first row is 35, 65, 25, 5 is 135. Okay. The sum of second row element is 65, 70, 80, 140. Okay. So after finding the sum of element, the step 2 is find the minimum value and mark that row. So the minimum of these 4 value is 65. So we have marked this row. Okay. After that, the step 3 is compare the marked row with other row, and if all the values of marked row are less than the other row values, delete that marked row. Okay. So first we will compare this row second with the row 1. So 30 is less than 35, 20 is less than 65, 15 is less than 25 and 0 is less than 5. So all of the elements of marked row are less than the element of first row. That means row second is dominated by row 1. So we will delete the row second. So after deleting the row second, what we will have? We will have this payoff matrix. Now what we have done for the rows, we will do for the columns. So there is a slight difference while doing the columns. So the step 1 is calculate the sum of each column and put it below the each respective column. The sum of these elements are 130, 175, 35, 30. Step 2 is find the maximum value. In the row, what we have done, we have find the minimum value, but in the column, we will find the maximum value and mark that particular column. Okay. Now, the step 3 is compare the marked column with other column, and if all the values of marked column are greater than the other column values, then delete that marked column. So here we will compare the column 2 with column 1. 65 is greater than 35, 50 is greater than 40, 60 is greater than 55. That means column second is dominated by column 1. So we will delete this column. Okay. So after deleting this column, we will have this payoff matrix. Okay. So let me just put this particular payoff matrix here for the feasibility. Okay. So first we deleted one row, then we deleted one column. Now again we will work on the row. The steps are similar. Okay. Find the sum of the elements of the row. So 35 plus 25 plus 5 is 65. 40 plus 10 is 50. 55 plus 15 plus 10 is 80. Okay. So now we will find the minimum. So the minimum is this. We will mark this row and we will compare it with the other rows. Now what we will do, we will find the minimum. Is 40 less than 35? No. Okay, that means row 1 will not dominate the row 3. So we will check the row 4. 40 is less than 55? Correct. 0 is less than 10? Correct. 10 is less than 15? Correct. That means row 3rd is dominated by row 4th. So we will delete the row 3rd. Okay. So after deleting the row 3rd, what we will have? This payoff matrix. Okay. So now we will go for column. What we will do? We will find the sum of the elements of the column. 35 plus 55 is 90. 25 plus 10 is 35. 5 plus 15 is 20. So we will mark the element which have the maximum value. Okay. And we will check whether the value of this column are greater than the value of other columns. Is 35 greater than 25? Yes. Is 55 greater than 10? Yes. That means column first is dominated by column 3rd. So we will delete the column first. So after deleting the column first, what we will have? This payoff matrix. Okay. Now this matrix, it is a 2 by 2 matrix. It can either be solved by pure strategy method or by odds method. So what we do in pure strategy, we find the row minima, which is 5, 10, column maximum 25, 15, and we find the maximum. So max is 10 and minimax is 15. As maximum is not equal to minimax, that means saddle point does not exist. That means question can only be solved by mixed strategy. Okay. If you want the detailed explanation on pure strategy, the link is given above and on the description box also. You can check it. Odds method. So these are the formulas to calculate the plus strategies. From where these formulas have come, for that we have to check detailed explanation or odds method that is given in the description box and in the above. So probability of player A to choose the strategy 1 is 1 by 5. Probability of player A to choose the strategy 4 is 4 by 5. Probability of player B to choose the strategy 3 Q3 is 2 by 5. The probability of player B to choose the strategy 4 Q4 is 3 by 5. The value of game is 30. Okay. Now the optimal strategy, player A and player B, they both have 4 strategies, first, second, third and fourth. So P1 is 1 by 5, as P3 and P2 are deleted, so this will be 0. P4 is 4 by 5, and for player B, we have Q3 and Q4. So first and second are 0, 0. Q3 is 2 by 5 and Q4 is 3 by 5. Okay. The value of game is 30. So this is the answer. I hope you have understood it. Try it by yourself so that you get the real understanding. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day.